Buckle up, because this story isn't about patience. It's about horsepower, hustle, and 120 days of pure insanity. Deep in the Rio Grande Valley, there's a tradition. Every project gets named like it's headed for the Hall of Fame. And once again, Cesar Tijerina delivered a name that hits hard: colorblind. What started as an inside joke became a badge of honor. We're talking about a 1968 original short-wheelbase C10, taken from bare frame to full-tilt showstopper in just 4 months. 4 months. That's unreal. But Cesar wasn't sweating the timeline. He said it best: when you have the right team, the sky's the limit. First mission: find the perfect roller fast. He scored locally, saved time, and the frame went straight under the knife. QA1, full front coilover conversion, check. Custom back half, check. Hand-built 4-link from Kid Metal Worx, oh yeah. And Stone Fab came in hot with a body drop so that cab and bed could lay body on a static drop. And then came the power dot. The rolling chassis went to 3C Garage, where business picks up quick. A 5.3-liter LS topped with a 2.9-liter Whipple supercharger. A custom boost camshaft, Doug Thorley headers, Z06 exhaust vibes, and a built 4 L65E to take the beating. But even with the heat under that hood, the biggest race was the calendar. With less than 3 months left, Rolando Leal from King of Kings Garage stripped the body, fabricated a custom firewall, dropped in slosh tubs inner fenders, and sprayed a one-off exotic red pearl. That paint dances in the sun. And with Rustline Eldorados, 20s up front, 22s by 12 out back on Lionheart rubber, Colorblind got its attitude. With 45 days left, interior time, Julio's upholstery went all in. Ultra leather, full custom bench, dash, door panels, stitched to perfection. Dakota digital gauges went in, and the interior was done in just 23 days. That's nuts. Back to 3C Garage for final assembly. Mario from 11 Fabs fabbed a custom intake and reservoir. LG Billet USA parts sprinkled the engine bay and cabin like jewelry. And then, showtime. Loaded up, shined up, debuted at Dino's Get Down 2024 in front of thousands. Colorblind stole the show. Cesar said it proud. This proves builds can be done quickly, and the quality speaks for itself. From an inside joke, to deep South Texas legend, to one of the cleanest C10s of the entire year. This is teamwork, hustle, and some South Texas grit. Thanks for listening.